Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, Mr. Joe. Good morning, friends. We are from Group 8. Today we will presentation our paper about regular examination and past future tense. Before presentation, let me introduce our group members. The first, Mr. Arif Wahyudi, Miss Decia Andarini, Miss Fitri Dewi, Miss Nina Herlina Kudri, and me, Novi Julia, as moderator, Miss Risanti Mariono, and last, Miss Kurniawati. Okay, for the first slide, until fourth, will presentation by Miss Deci, Miss Fitri, and Mr. Arif. For the three of you guys, take your time and screen.
Yes, doctor. Nurse Santi just told me a few minutes ago. She told me that today we are going to examine Sheila White, a patient in room 102 who suffered typhus.
Yes, that's right. Have you prepared all of the need medical equipment?
Yes, doctor. I have prepared them.
Okay, good. Let's just go to room 102.
Okay, doc.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Are you feeling better? Is there any progress with your condition?
Yes, doc, I'm feeling better. I just feel a bit weary. That's normal, doc?
Yes, that's normal. That is not a big problem. Do you feel nauseous?
Yes, doc, I feel a bit nauseous, but it's not as bad as the first time I came here.
Okay. How about your stomach? Does it still hurt?
Not really, doc.
How strong is the pain? Let's say in a 1 to 10 scale, how would you describe the intensity of the pain?
Between 1 and 2, doc.
Is the pain continuous or does it come and go?
It comes and goes.
All right, Nurse Desi, please check her temperature and blood pressure.
Okay, doc. Finish, doctor.
Okay, thank you. Let me check them. After I check, your blood pressure is 120 or 80 and temperature is 36 derajat Celsius. I can diagnose that your condition is getting better. Your blood pressure is normal and your body temperature is also normal.
Does it mean I can go home today, doc?
I don't think so. You still need intensive treatment. Let's see if there is any progress tomorrow. There is possibility that tomorrow you may go home.
All right. Okay, doc.
But you must have enough sleep and rest.
I will monitor her sleeping and resting hours, doc. By the way, I want to ask something, doctor.
Yes, please.
How about the medicine, doc? Should he custom new medicine or the previous one?
She still has to consume the previous one for today. Tomorrow, Nurse Desi will give the medicine that I recommend.
Okay, doc. Thank you.
By the way, how about the service here, ma'am? Is there any complaint about that?
I am very satisfied about the service here. The doctors and the nurses are very friendly and kind. The facility is also good.
All right, thank you. If you need help, don't hesitate to make the nurse call. I will be ready to help and assist you.
Thank you very much, nurse.
Okay, then I need to visit other patient. Hopefully you can recover soon. Good morning.
Amin. Thank you very much, Doc. Good morning.
Okay. B. Vocabulary medical equipment. ECG, vaccine freight. Next. Blood pressure monitor, air irrigation system, 24-hour ABPM, examination lamp, spirometry and nebulizer, air thermometer. Next. Serotherapy, surgery couch, oximetry, scale, Doppler, vacuum ophthalmoscope, medical supplies, antiseptic, liquid used to sterile clean the surface of the skin, bandage, a cloth covering that is placed over a wound to bandage, nggak jelas, prevent bleeding, swelling, and infection. Blood pressure monitor, a tool that measure the force of blood flow through a person's body. Dressing, protective covering that is placed over a wound. Elastic tape, a thin roll of stretchy material that is sticky on one side. A card, a poster of letter, word, and number combination of various sizes used to each person is. Forceps, instrument used during operation and medical procedure. Table and head rest paper. Gauze, thin net material used for dressing wound. Hypodermic needle, sharp point metal pieces pricks the skin, used for taking blood or administering medicine. IV bag, the pouch that contains liquid to be pumped into patient body. Medicine cup, small plastic measuring cup. Microscope, equipment that makes small things appear larger than they are. Otoscope, a device used for looking into a patient's ears. Oxygen mask, equipment that fits over the nose and mouth and supplies oxygen. Privacy screen, an object that is used to separate the doctor and patient from others in an open room. Scales, a device that measures a person's weight. Stethoscope, equipment for listening to a person's air and lungs. Syringe, a cylinder-shaped piece that attached to a needle and can be filled with liquid. Table and head rest paper, paper that is on a examining table or headrest to prevent the spread of germs. Test tube, glass cylinder that is filled with blood or other liquid and can be kept and placed in a strong area. Thermometer, an instrument used to check a person's body temperature. Vial, a small bottle or container used for storing liquids.
For the next slide, is Miss.
Language focus, nominal X, verbal sentence. Verbal sentence is sentence where the predicate in verb. She likes playing chess. He always studies hard every day. I drank a cup of tea this morning. Positive verbal sentence. This sentence is also called affirmative sentence. We go to school by motorcycle every day. I went to school by bus yesterday. I have 3 cute kittens. Negative verbal sentence. This sentence is indicated by the use of do or does or did plus not before the verb. I don't like going to school by bus. I didn't go anywhere last weekend. She doesn't like coffee. See interrogative verbal sentence. This sentence is also called question sentence. It is indicated by the use of do or does or did at the beginning of sentence and is indicated by the use of question mark at the end of sentence. Do you like cooking? Does she go to school by bus every day? Did you go somewhere this weekend? Nominal sentence. Nominal sentence is a sentence that the predicate is not a verb. He or she or it was past tense. I am was past tense. They or we or you are were past tense. Positive nominal sentence. The scenery is beautiful. Next. I'm a nurse in a big hospital. He was so sad after hearing that news. Negative nominal sentence. The use of not after to be. He is not a junior high school student. I'm not sure they will come here today. He was not a smart student when he was in elementary school. Interrogative nominal sentence. Is she a smart student? Are you a nurse in that hospital? Are you sure about what you are looking about? Practice exercise on nominal versus verbal sentence. Exercise 1, nominal versus verbal sentence. Directions, complete the sentence, fill in the blanks using appropriate verb or to be. Number 1, the scenery is beautiful. Number 2, she doesn't not like reading sci-fi novel. Number 3, Felice and John go to Bali last month. My mother and sister not live in Bandung. John and Mary, smart student. I cook breakfast every morning. They curious about the result of the test. Dean lazy. He never studies at night. Next. Reading a text, reading the article below and answer the question. Cancer. Cancer is a class of disease characterized by out of control cell growth. There are over 100 different types of cancer, and each is classified by the type of cell that initially affects. Cancer harm the body once the damage called defeat uncontrollably to form lumps or masses of tissue called tumor, except in the case of leukemia where cancer prohibits normal blood. Tumor can grow and interfere with the digestive, nervous, and circulatory system, and they can release hormones that alter body function. Tumor then stay in one spot and demonstrate. Limit growths are generally considered to be cancer system are quite varied and depend of where the cancer is located, with where it has spread and how big the tumor is. Some cancer can be felt or seen through the skin. A lump on the breast or testicle can be an indicator of cancer in those locations. Skin cancer, melanoma, is often noted by a change in a wart or mole on the skin. Some oral cancer present white patches inside the mouth or white spots on the tongue. Other cancers have symptoms that are less physically apparent. Some brain tumor tend to present symptoms early in the disease as they affect important cognitive function. Pancreas cancer are usually too small to cause symptoms until they cause pain by pushing against nervous or interfere with liver function to cause a yellowing of the skin and eye called jaundice. Symptoms also can be created as a tumor grows and pushes against organs and blood vessels. Early detection of cancer can greatly improve the odds of such a full treatment and survival. Physicians use information from symptom and several other procedures to diagnose cancer. Imaging techniques such as X-ray, CT scan, MRI scans, PET scan, and ultrasound scan are used regularly in order to detect where a tumor is location and what organs might be affected by it. Doctors may also conduct an endoscopy, which a producer that use a thin tube with a camera and light at one end to look for abnormalities inside the body. How to increase the possibility of successful treatment of cancer? Aside to detect what is jaundice, how to detect abnormalities inside the body, according to tech, how to increase the possibility of successful treatment of cancer. According to text, what is the endoscopy? Next. Tumor can grow and interfere with the digestive, nervous, and circulatory system, and they can release hormones that alter body function. State the name of cancer of the blood. Vocabulary: lumps, gumpalan, bengkak pada leher, tisu, jaringan, digestive, pencernaan atau yang berkaitan dengan pencernaan, nervous, gelisah atau gugup, circulatory system, sistem peredaran darah, benign, lunak, tidak berbahaya, testicle, buah pelir, wart, kutil, mole, tahi lalat, face, potongan kecil di bagian mata.
Okay, next, Miss Risanti. Take your time and screen.
Okay. 1. Health, illness, and disease vocabulary. A. Pain. Feeling in your body when you have been hurt or when you are sick. B. H. Feel a continuous pain. C. Ill. Suffering from an illness or disease or not feeling well or sick. D. Sick. Physically or mentally illness. Sore, painful, and often red because of infection or because a muscle has been used to. F. Illness. The state of being physically or mentally. G. Disease. Serious illness often caused by infection. Next. H. Heal. Become healthy again or make somebody heal, make somebody feel happy again. I. Cure. Make somebody or something healthy again after an illness or make an illness go away. G. Treat. Give medical care or attention to somebody or something, deal with something or somebody. K. Treatment. The way or process of curing an illness or injury, making somebody look and feel good. The way of dealing with something or somebody. L. Diagnose. Define what an illness or the cause of a problem is. M. Injury. Harm done to the body, for example, in an accident. And injure. Harm somebody or yourself physically, especially in an accident. Receive or suffer in an injury. O. Wound. An injury to part of the body, especially one in which a hole is made in the skin. P. Bruise. A blue, brown, or purple mark on the skin after somebody has fallen. Q. Scratch. HID your skin with your nails, usually because it's itching, a mark, or a small cut or injury made by stretching. R. Infection. Illness caused by bacteria or a virus or the act or process causing or getting a disease. G. Past future tense. Past future tense formula. The past future tense have two different forms. First, it is the past from the modal shall or will, so that the use of the past future tense becomes should or would. The second is the past form of the auxiliary verb be, namely am, is, are. Become, was, were, and add going to. Not would plus not can be shortened to wouldn't. Social plus not can be shortened to shouldn't. Is subject. A. Will or was or were going to. Was, I, she, he, it. Were, they, we, you. Berinfinitif, verb 1 tanpa penambahan s or is. Jenis kalimat positif, rumus past future tense-nya subject plus should or would plus ber infinitive Contoh, Mr. President will speak to the people. Subject plus was or were plus going to plus bar infinitive. Contohnya, she was going to read a new book. Negative. Subject plus should or would plus not plus bar infinitive. Example, Mr. President would not speak to the people. Subject plus was or were plus not going to bar infinitive. Example, she was not going to read a new book. Interrogative. Should or would plus subject plus bar infinitive. Example, would Mr. President speak to the people? Was or were plus subject plus going to plus bar infinitive. Example, was she going to read a new book? Not would plus not dapat disingkat menjadi wouldn't, begitu juga dengan should plus not dapat disingkat menjadi shouldn't. Example 1, I will buy pizza for you. Saya akan membelikan pizza untukmu. 2, I will not buy pizza for you. Saya tidak akan membelikan pizza untukmu. 3, would I buy pizza for you? Akankah saya membelikanmu pizza? 4, they were going to visit me. Mereka akan mengunjungi saya. 5, they were not going to visit me. Mereka tidak akan mengunjungi saya. Tidak akan diisi konteks. Konteksnya bisa menjadi tidak jadi. 6, were they going to visit me? Akankah mereka mengunjungi saya? Penggunaan past future tense. 1, menyatakan suatu peristiwa yang akan terjadi pada waktu yang sudah terjadi di masa lampau. Next slide ya, Mister, maaf. Penggunaan past future tense. Example, I should go to Semarang last year. Saya akan pergi ke Semarang tahun yang lalu. 2, menyatakan suatu peristiwa, tindakan, dan perbuatan yang menjadi suatu kebiasaan. Example, I will sit here for a long time. Saya tidak akan duduk di sini untuk beberapa waktu. 3, menyatakan suatu peristiwa, tindakan, dan perbuatan yang menjadi suatu keharusan. Example, we should obey the rules. Kami harus mematuhi peraturan. Time signal, keterangan waktu. Cara untuk mengetahui kalimat yang sedang dibicarakan menggunakan tenses apa? Dapat dikenali dengan melihat konteks secara keterangan waktu yang digunakan. Biasanya past future tense menggunakan keterangan waktu sebagai berikut. Yesterday, kemarin, last week, pekan lalu, last month, bulan lalu, last year, tahun lalu, the next day, keesokan harinya, the day before, sebelum hari ini, the week before, minggu sebelumnya, the month before, bulan sebelumnya.